Hi guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. So, have you ever wondered how these actors and models are always wearing perfectly and seamlessly tucked in tops and t-shirts, and we always struggle with the fabric rolling up from the bottoms? The secret, my dear friends, is bodysuit. So I've always loved bodysuits majorly because they're easy to wear and a perfect choice when you're running out of options. I really like the comfort and it gives an edge to the outfit. I've selected two bodysuits from my huge collection, and as winter is approaching, I wanted to create a fall lookbook with the bodysuits. So the first bodysuit is the one I'm wearing. Very classy and it's very chic, and the other bodysuit is black. So black and white are basic bodies and the black one is more edgier. So I am going to show you 5 different outfits with both the bodysuits. So without wasting any further time, let's get started.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. So right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. 'Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me rip it off, I'll admit it. You got me feeling hella love, even when it's going down. Know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.